Stress in any workplace is a common feeling that many hardworking individuals face daily. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 ways to manage stress so you are more productive. I chose to make a video picking 5 solutions to manage your stress. Next, I have a question that I think would be nice to think about. What solution did you find in the video to be something you would test in your life? I feel like the 5 solutions that were given are all very vague, so I feel like everyone probably has a solution that would work for them. And here's some discussion questions that I think are good to think about after watching this video. What are some ways you combat stress to feel more relaxed on your day? Do you, in particular, have a way to combat stress that you feel is effective? Is stress something you avoid, or is it imminent when you're working at a high-stakes job? Thank you.